In this video, I am going to teach you how to copy and paste in Bluebeam. Whether you're working on drawings or documents, this feature is essential for fast edits. Let's get started so you can save time and effort. First, go to Bluebeam, sign into your account, and open the file you want to work with. Make sure the document is searchable or has selectable text. Then, select the text you want to copy using your mouse. Click and drag to highlight the section clearly. Next, right-click on the highlighted text. A context menu will appear with multiple options. After that, choose Copy from the menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then, right-click anywhere on the page where you want to place the copied item and choose Paste. You can also press Ctrl+V for a quicker shortcut. And that's how you copy and paste in Bluebeam. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!